Halo, apa kabar teman-teman semua? Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty will be making grilled chicken satay with sweet potato curry noodles. So, come let's join Aunty. Alright friends, these are the ingredients that I have. This is chicken thigh. The chicken thigh I already deboned and cut into strip. And I'm gonna marinate this chicken thigh with all these ingredients. Okay, I have 3 shallot, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 ginger, about an inch of ginger. And I'm going to grind this one later on. And this is brown sugar. I use 1 full saucer of this brown sugar to marinate the chicken thigh later on. And also this one is tomato sauce. And I have fermented bean curd. This is fermented bean curd. This is salty actually. And a little bit of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, and about a teaspoon of oyster sauce. The black peppercorn, about 1 tablespoon. I will grind later. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna use to marinate this chicken thigh later on. Stay tuned, guys. This one I have 3 chicken thighs here already deboned and sliced. Alright friends, first of all, Aunty would like to mix this sugar, the brown sugar, and tomato sauce, and this one is fermented bean curd. Take about 1 cube. Mix it well. Thick soy sauce. Alright, I'm using 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce. Okay, light sauce. I'm using camel brand as usual. 2 tablespoons of light sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Sesame oil, also 1 tablespoon. Okay, continue to mix it. So I pour all this into the chicken meat. The coriander powder and fennel powder, I use 1 tablespoon each, and cumin, I use 1 teaspoon. Okay, mix it. And 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. And these are the garlic, shallot, and ginger I blended already. And about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of ajinomoto, and about half teaspoon of salt, because the fermented bean curd is salty, so I don't want to put too much of the salt. So this one, Aunty will leave it to marinate for about 1 hour. Then I will proceed. Alright friends, so these are the chicken I already marinated, and now I want to proceed. Okay, I have skewers here to make chicken satay. Okay, a little bit of cooking oil. And this is lemongrass. Crush the end of it to make it into brush. Okay, this is lemongrass. Okay, we dip in the oil. I'm using grill. Okay, this is grilled chicken satay. Brush the cooking oil. Make it evenly. Okay, and let it continue to grill. Okay, turn it. Beautiful. Wow, very nice smell. Alright, I'm preparing for the base of the sweet potato noodles. I have sweet potato. This one I already boiled. Shallot, garlic, and slice of ginger. I'm gonna grind this later on. I'm gonna cut this sweet potato. It's already cooked. It's already been boiled, and I'm going to blend this later on. Alright, these are the ingredients I need for making the soup base for the noodles. This one is dry shrimp, pounded dry shrimp. I have garlic, shallot, and ginger. And I have, of course, this is curry powder. I have 3 tablespoons of curry powder. And instead of chicken stock, Auntie is using chicken cubes. I have 2 chicken cubes. And this is a blended sweet potato. Put in the blended shallot and garlic. Cinnamon stick. Okay, we add in the dry shrimp, the pounded dry shrimp. Oh. Okay, add in the curry powder. Okay, the sweet potato base. And I boiled the sweet potato. I didn't throw the soup away because I want to use to make the base for this curry noodles. Okay, the sweet potato in. Add in the chicken cube. I'm using 2 chicken cubes. Okay. Salt. I've already added about 2 tablespoons of sugar and some cornstarch for thickening the sauce. And this is done. Okay. Okay, done. Bean sprout. Okay friends, so these are the ingredients needed to make chickpeas fritters. This is chickpeas bean crushed, and I have half cup of this self-raising flour and 1 cup of wheat flour and half cup of rice flour. I have 1 tablespoon of curry powder and half teaspoon of black pepper, and this one is chili, this one cilantro, and this one shallot, and this one is scallion. I have 1 egg and also about 2 spoons of sugar, as well as salt and Ajinomoto to taste, and some cold water for mixing later on, and also about 2 spoons of cooking oil. Okay, we start doing it. Add in the chickpeas and crush 1 egg, salt. I add in about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto, and 2 spoons of sugar. Okay, mix it. Okay, add in cooking oil first. Okay, that's it. And we add in the cold water bit by bit. Make sure it's not too runny and not too sticky. Okay, let's start. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Grilled chicken satay with sweet potato curry noodles. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.